Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to bring you the best of the best. Today, we are diving into the world of home automation and introducing you to the ultimate cleaning companion, the robot vacuum cleaner. With technology advancing at a rapid pace, these nifty little machines have revolutionized the way we keep our homes clean. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional vacuuming, as these smart devices effortlessly glide across your floors, eliminating dust and debris in their wake. Whether you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or simply someone who craves a pristine living space, we've got you covered. Get ready to sit back, relax, and let the robot vacuum cleaner of your dreams take care of the cleaning duties. Let's jump right in and discover the best robot vacuum cleaner for your home. Number 1. Roborock S7 Max Ultra. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra robot vacuum and mop is a cutting-edge home cleaning device that combines advanced features to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. With its auto mop washing feature, it can not only vacuum but also mop your floors, providing a thorough cleaning experience. One of the standout features of the S7 Max Ultra is its reactive AI 2.0 obstacle avoidance system. This advanced technology enables the robot to navigate around furniture, obstacles, and other objects with precision, minimizing the risk of collisions and ensuring a smooth cleaning operation. Equipped with a powerful 5,100 Pascal suction, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra offers impressive cleaning performance, effectively capturing dust, dirt, and pet hair from various surfaces. You can conveniently control and customize the robot's cleaning settings through an intuitive app, giving you the flexibility to schedule cleanings, adjust cleaning modes, and monitor the cleaning progress from your smartphone. Additionally, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra is compatible with Alexa, allowing you to control it using voice commands for a truly hands-free experience. The inclusion of the RockDock Ultra series adds to the convenience, providing a dedicated docking station for charging and storing the robot. Number 2. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. One of the standout features of the Roomba J7 Plus is its self-emptying capability. It comes with an automatic dirt disposal base, which allows the robot vacuum to empty its own bin. This means you don't have to worry about manually emptying the dust bin for up to 60 days, making maintenance hassle-free. The Roomba J7 Plus is equipped with intelligent sensors that help it identify and avoid obstacles in your home. This includes pet waste, cords, and other objects that could obstruct its cleaning path. This feature helps to protect both the robot vacuum and your belongings. With the smart mapping feature, the Roomba J7 Plus creates a map of your home, allowing it to efficiently navigate and clean different areas. The Roomba J7 Plus is designed to work seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, allowing you to control the robot vacuum with voice commands. You can start or stop cleaning, schedule cleaning sessions, or ask for status updates using compatible Alexa-enabled devices. Number 3. Yeti Vac 2 Pro. The Yeti Vac 2 Pro offers a significant step up from previous Yeti models, with excellent mopping and vacuuming process more effective. It's not cheap as such, but it's way more affordable than the assorted Roborocks and iRobots that we usually favor, and represents particularly excellent VFM when you take into account that it is both a vacuum cleaner and a mop. Yeti also offers frequent discounts via its Amazon shop, too. With an impressive 3,000 PA of suction and a battery life of around 4 hours, it has more power and longer life than similarly priced rivals. It's also easy to use, reliable, and the mapping isn't bad. Although the obstacle avoidance could be made a little less stringent, it likes to give obstacles detected quite a wide berth, rather than cleaning up to the edge of them. There are a few other niggles around the mapping process and app, but for the price, you really can't complain. Number 4. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. At 2,200 pascals, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus has extremely powerful suction, and that means it's an excellent option for those with a lot of carpet. It also automatically detects the type of floor surface it's on, ramping up or lowering the suction accordingly. The 3,300 mAh battery, meanwhile, keeps the bot running for up to an impressive 120 minutes at a time. Its mapping system is also one of the best we've seen, and the app that accompanies it is a joy to use. Is there anything it's not good at? Yes, to some degree thin rugs, especially if they have tasseled edges. Since the two rubber rollers are set lower than other vacs, they tend to snatch tassels and the edges of thin rugs on a fairly regular basis. However, in many instances the S9 Plus's roller will turn off if its sensor detects loose material and either back off or attempt to climb over the ruffled rug to continue on its path. If you have the financial wherewithal and a lot of carpets, you might not find a more complete model for your needs. Number 5. iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. The problem with the majority of robot vacs is that you have to empty their tiny dust bins on a regular basis. By regular we mean after every vacuuming session and, if you have pets, possibly once or twice during a single spell on the pile. Perhaps this isn't what you signed up for when you stumped up the readies on an autonomous bot to do your vacuuming. Thankfully the keenly priced and rather handsome-looking iRobot i3 Plus gets around this huge hassle by including a larger bin, called a clean base, that's attached to the charging dock. When the i3 detects that its 500 milliliter bin is full, it trundles back to the dock where all detritus from its smaller bin is evacuated into the larger bin. iRobot claims the bag holds 30 bins worth. When empty, the i3 heads off again to finish the job. This means you only need to get off your arse every few weeks to fit a new dust bag. For pet owners, it's a truly groundbreaking advance in robot vac tech.